Hi guys! Kung ikaw ay nalilito pa sa pag-solve ng percentage at mga word problems na involve yung percent, magsimula tayo sa pinakasimpleng tanong. What is 50% of 20? So, we have two approach. The first one is the decimal approach and the second one is the fractional approach. So, paano ba itong dalawa? Dito sa decimal, ang gagawin natin is i-convert natin tong percent sa decimal. So pag kinonvert mo yan, magiging 0.50. Bakit? Kasi pag percent andito yung decimal place, mag-move lang tayo ng dalawang beses sa pa-left. So 0.50, and since walang number sa left, lalagyan natin ng 0. And of means multiply 20. So we have, pag sinolve natin to, 10. This is the answer. Let's have the fractional approach. Ang gagawin natin, yung 50%, i-convert natin sa fraction. We have 50 over 100. Yes, always lalagyan natin ng 100 sa denominator. And 20. So here, 50 over 100 is equal to 1/2. Kasi divisible by 50. And now, 1/2 of 20 is 10. And that is the answer. Another example, what is 20% of 30? So we have the first method, convert the percent into decimal. We have 0.20. Bakit nga? Andito yung decimal, mag-move tayo ng dalawang beses lagi. So andito na 0.20 and lalagyan na natin ng 0. And of means multiply 30. Pag sinolve natin to, we have 6. So this is the answer. Let's have the second method or way. 20 will become 20 over 100 and 30. 20 over 100 is equal to 1 over 5 divisible by 20 pareho. So 1/5 of 30 is equal to 6. So we obtain the same answer. Basta, always remember na pag nagsosolve tayo ng may percent, always kino-convert natin yung may percent sa decimal form or sa fractional form. And the last example sa pinakasimpleng percent is, what is 50% of 50? Ang hindi natin alam is, pwede natin silang i-flip. Magiging 50% of 15. Yes, that is true. And yan ay ata tinuturo sa atin sa school. Bakit ko yon ginawa? Kasi mas madali to kaysa dito. Kasi 50% of 15 is alam natin na kalahati lang ng 15, which is 7.5. And this is the final answer. Kaysa naman 15% of 50. I-convert natin yung 15% sa decimal, we have 0.15. Tapos i-multiply natin sa 50. So medyo hindi maganda yon. Kaya I prefer na dapat alam nyo yung eto na pwede natin tong i-flip. Naging 50% of 15. So sana nagets nyo. Let's have the word problems involving percent. First example, there are 50 students in a class. If 14% are absent, find the number of present students in a class. Meron tayong dalawang way para ma-solve yan. The first method is ganito. Ang gagawin natin, pinakauna is identify natin yung object or kung ano yung pinag-uusapan dyan. Since ang pinag-uusapan ay absent and present, isusulat natin yan. Absent, present. And now, gagamitin natin yung sentence, yung given. There are 50 students in a class. 14% are absent. So, ito yung absent. 14% of 50. Tapos, ang hinahanap is yung present students. So, in the first way, ang gagawin natin is, i-multiply natin to. Magiging 0.14, i-convert muna. 0.14 times 50 is 7. So there are 7 students who are absent. Ang hinahanap is present. Ang gagawin natin is isusubtract lang natin sa total students. We have 43 students who are present. So this is the final answer. Let's have the second way kung paano ba natin masolve. So somewhat similar lang sila pero direkta yung pangalawang way. Ang gagawin natin, present lang. Since alam natin na 14% yung absent, ilan yung present student, yung percent. E di 100 minus 14 is 86%. And now, 50 students lahat, masosolve na natin yung present students. So we have 43 students. Pag solve nito, i-convert lagi ito sa decimal or fraction. 0.86 times 50, 43, or 86 over 100 times 50 is 43. So let's have the second example. In a basket of apples, 12% of them are rotten and 66 are in good condition. Find the total apples in the basket. Ang gagawin natin dito is identify ulit kung ano yung pinag-uusapan. Yung apple daw pero rotten and in good condition. Sulat natin rotten and good. Ilalagay ko lang good. And now, isa-isa natin yung sentence. In a basket of apples, 12% of them are rotten. Di natin alam kung ilan yung lahat na apples. Ang gagawin natin is ililet natin na X. X all apples. So, we have 12% of them are rotten. 12% of X is rotten daw. Next, and 66 are in good condition. 66, hindi to percent. Ang gagawin natin, ilagay natin sa good. 66. And since meron na tayong 12% sa rotten, alam natin ang in good condition, ang percent niya ay 100 minus 12. We have 88%. And yung total apples is X. And now, ang hinahanap is find the total apples or this X ang hinahanap. Ang gagawin natin dito, isolve natin muna to. Then, solve for X. Divide both side by, ang gagawin muna natin, 88% is convert to decimal. Magiging 0.88. And now, pwede na natin i-divide both side by 0.88. 0.88. Maka-cancel to. We have X is equal to 75 apples. And that is the final answer. The third and last example, an alloy contains 26% of copper. What quantity of alloy is required to get 260 grams of copper? Paano ba natin to mai-illustrate? Gagawin natin, magdodraw muna tayo. Kunwari, meron tayong container. And this is the alloy, let's say A. And sabi, alloy contains 26% of copper. Let's say 20% is heto. So this is the copper, let's say C. So paano ba natin to magagawa ng equation? Ang gagawin natin is 20% 26% of A is equal to C. Yes, tama yan. And now, i-convert natin tong percent sa decimal. 26% magiging 0.26. And now, gamitin natin to sa second sentence. What quantity of alloy is required to get 260 grams of copper? Ang hahanapin is alloy. So first, divide both sides muna natin by 0.26. And we will solve A C over 0.26. And now, mahanap na natin yung alloy. Given na 260 gram yung copper. We have 260 over 0.26. We have 1,000 grams. And that is the final answer. So, thank you sa panonood. Subscribe na kayo para updated kayo sa susunod na video.